What if I could show you how to earn $300 a day online with no website needed? You do not need a website for you to do this, and I'm going to show you how you could crush this online and make a lot of money. So $300 a day, earn money online. No particular website is needed to do this. So don't try to skip ahead and try to miss out on the most important things. As I could scroll down here, you could see almost $300 just came in with the method that I'm going to share with you. So again, don't try to skip through the entire video. And if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. Let me know in the comments if you are making $300 a day. What would you do with it? How would you spend it? Would you go on vacation? Would you take a trip? Would you use it to pay some bills? Let me know in the comments right now. So type in the comments what you would do with the money. So this is the YouTube channel. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. And if this is your first time here, I want to say welcome, and all the people who keep coming back time and time again. I appreciate you for watching my video. So we're going to jump right into the video and we're going to get started. So as I said, I'm going to show you how to earn or make $300 with no particular website. Now, one of the biggest things that you could do if you're going into affiliate marketing or anything, you want to make sure that you always try to promote the things that's going to give you passive and also a residual income. And the reason for that is because you want to make that money over and over again, because as you grow as an affiliate marketer, you're going to see that people need tools for them to start their business. Now, not many people these days want to make websites and stuff. Nobody need no websites. Everybody is going to what we call a funnel. And if you don't know what a funnel is a tool or a name that we call a software tool that we use to collect emails, right? So you can collect emails, you can put videos on it, you can put information on it. So people are using funnels and they're using different tools. So one of the tools that you can use, and this tool is called Instapage. And Instapage, as you can see, people are using it from SoundCloud, ADP, there's eBay, HelloFresh, and Vimeo, right? So it's a great place where you can create landing pages, personalization, experimentations. You can put collaboration, and the page speeds, it loads pretty quickly. So I personally use InstaBuilder to create some funnels as well when I just started, but I don't use it anymore. I use ClickFunnels because, of course, ClickFunnels is just a great tool. I love it, but most people like to start off with InstaBuilder. So you could come over here and you could see that it's very clean. People use it. Again, for me, myself, I go with ClickFunnels. So what you could do is you can look at the pricing, and if you refer someone to this particular product, they can make it's $179 per year if they sign up for the entire year. If they want to do it for the monthly, even better, you're going to get a monthly commission from this $199. So these are some of the things that they're going to be getting when they sign up. So if you scroll down here, they have a 14-day trial, just like ClickFunnels or any other things, a 14-day trials for them to get started. And once they set it up, then they can go out and they can create pages. They could do a lot of things, and how, they could create a landing page, they could create blogs, they can do lots of different things. There's templates, there's integrations, there's features, you name it, it's there for you. So how are you going to do this? You want to scroll down all the way down to the bottom where it says affiliate program, and you want to click on it. And you want to sign up for their affiliate program because they have marketers, agencies, and also influencers. It all depends on which one you want to sign up for. So you're going to get like your unique referral link. You're going to share your link and you're going to earn a sweet commission. So once you refer a purchase, you'll earn 50% off their first year's purchase. So for the first year, you're going to get 50%, and every year after that, you're going to make 30%. So 30% consistently year after year, that's how you're going to make money. And that's how you stay on top in this affiliate game. You always want to have some, residual income coming in from different software tools that you use. So that's pretty sweet. Now, here's another particular one that you could do. You could go over to ConvertKit as well. And ConvertKit is where you can, they basically do the same thing, but people can now sign up for absolutely free with ConvertKit. So most of these software tools are giving people option where they're saying, hey, you could sign up for free or sign up for a 14-day trial and you could try it out and see if it works for you. So if you look at the affiliate program, you could see that you could join their affiliate program. And once you sign up, you're going to have a back office. You're going to have everything. So if you, let's say you sign up 30, let's say 34 people, that's $295 that they're going to send to you, right, per month. But you can get more people to sign up over and over again, and you can make $1,000, you can make $2,000, you can make $3,000. It's infinity. So a few different ways how you can promote this where you can get more people to sign up and want to join in your business. And here's where you need to go, because I know most of you said, well, Andre, I know how to sign up for this. Now, where do we go? Now, I spoke about this already, but you want to go to medium.com and you want to write reviews on both of these. So you can write reviews. You could go through here. You could see what this has to offer. What are some of the things that they have to offer? Like you can use for search pages, social media, display, lead gen, all that, enterprise. If you come over here, how it works, the features, the integrations. And then when you go over here as well, you could do the same thing, right? So when you come and you do this, you're writing reviews on both of them, like the features, like why is it different? Read up on it. And when you create it, you're going to create, a headline of what's the difference between Instapage and what's the difference between ConvertKit. So you're giving a review. You can give a single review on one of them. You can give a single review on the other one, and then you can combine both. When you do that, you also want to put your affiliate link into these articles, because when you put affiliate links in these articles and people start searching online, the good thing about Medium gets to go up into the search engine more quicker than if you want to create a blog, because a blog takes a little bit longer. With Medium just right away start putting your things out there and it just sends up there. So you could create this. This could be something that you do on the side. It's not going to distract you from what you're currently doing. But when you do this and you create reviews, you create blogs, you create different things on these particular software tools, ConvertKit, you could do Instabuilder, you could search for more tools as well. So when people start searching and then they sign up for this, guess what? You're going to be making money over and over again, because you're going to get referred. You're going to get referral sign-ups, and people just sign up left, right, and center. Once this starts to click in, you're going to see you're going to get people consistently, because people are going to be searching. You can create a page that says, hey, free funnel, because people could sign up for free ConvertKit. They could get started for free. So you could say, if you want to learn how to build a free funnel, here's where you need to go. And you can give your 2 cents on it, why you think it's a good thing for them, why it's going to benefit them, why it's going to work in their business. And then they will just eventually sign up. So that's how you can run consistent traffic to these two, and you can make money. So that's how you can earn the money over and over again. $300 a day, earn money online. You don't need any website. You just come over here, you just sign up, and you just get started. So don't forget to like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and let me know what you think about this particular training. All right. So I appreciate you. If you want to learn more about how I, learn how to do some marketing, don't forget to check out the link in the description. You could sign up. You can get trained right away, and you can go through this 15-day challenge. and you're going to learn more about it. So I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.